Today's topic is Kabbalas HaYisurim, acceptance of suffering. What is the essence of this concept that we have to accept suffering? One of the answers that the Bar Tanura gives is that accepting suffering, one shows that he accepts everything Hashem does. He doesn't question the way of Hashem. We see this concept in the Mishnah in Brachos, where the Mishnah says that one has to say a bracha over something good, and one also has to say a bracha over something bad that happens to him. By doing this, one shows that everything that happens to him in this world, be it good or be it bad, happens to come from Hashem. And one step further, it also shows that even though we don't understand it right now, but ultimately everything that's done to us is for our good. Rav Hirsch also explains this concept of accepting of suffering, and he says the following. He says, according to our sages, suffering is part of the course by means of which Hashem trains both the mind and spirit for the knowledge and fulfillment of His teaching. However, I would like to use a different example. Rather than train, I would like to say that Hashem tests us. I'd like to share with you the following true story. When I was 18, learning in Yeshiva Shalavim, my father passed away suddenly. After I got the news, I was taken to Rav Meir Schlesinger, who was Rosh Yeshiva at the time, to speak with him, for him to comfort me and to help me get through this. And he told me the following, which I remember today as if it was yesterday. He told me that Hashem only gives us a test if He knows that we could pass. And I looked at him, 18-year-old, naive boy, being in Israel for the first time, and I said to him, I would have taken that test 35 years from now. And he looked back at me, and he said very kindly and very softly, he said, then it wouldn't have been a test. And at times, we have to understand that Hashem gives us things to test us, but at the same time, we should take solace in the knowledge that whenever Hashem does give us a test, He knows that we're going to pass it. Have a good day.